Alzheimer's is a very slow process, yeah.
So physically the body is aging.
Yeah, the mind is aging, the cells are dying, and there's a particular area in the brain, you know that area, which is responsible for memory. Most of our memory is here. इसको हम लोग हिंदी में छोटा brain बोलते हैं ना, छोटा brain. It's a very famous name. So if you get an impact there, you lose memory. If you get a tumor, then you lose memory. So that's also dementia. But when it's age related, 55 plus, then we start seeing
Alzheimer's.
So it occurs very slowly.
So what happens when they're physically not really, you know?
That's the later stage.
And then, but their mind is very alert.
Yeah, the IQ is fine. You can talk, think, do things. You can probably work.
In Alzheimer's?
Yeah, you can do that. But you forget names.
Dementia.
I think this is all short-term memory loss. No, as you get older, you
Yeah.
start losing. Like I can remember what I did as a kid or years ago, but I can't remember what I met yesterday. What was I doing yesterday? And I just have to think about it. So then you come back.
There's a book on Alzheimer's also. There's one lady who they go back to the
College,
past.
they go back.
They
So
go
they,
back.
you know, your prior memory is excellent.
Yeah.
So they'll remember their school days, they'll remember their college days, they'll especially
All
connect to the
past.
music, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. Music is, there's one
No,
more.
music is like slots time and space for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like you drift you back into a certain space,
Yeah.
you hear something.
The music you don't
memories. Yeah. So in that sense, music is also becoming an automated memory for them. That they go back and they, you know, start humming the music, and which brings a lot of solace.
Yeah, I think it just puts you back into a zone which otherwise you have to think about going back. Here it's like an instant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's an instant connection.
See all the mummies and daddies now. When Janam Sanja, they immediately go back to school and come.
Yeah.
They start.
He's batchmate. He was it.
He was asking me to listen to very songs. So she has this way of like walking without no socks and just came. So like leg space. This one. Boy thing.
So yours is what Scottish?
Yeah.
Well, I was in stereo.
So I have the food as my next.
Can you type the name of the album?
I don't know. We did a photo. I don't know. We did a photo session for the album. It was HMV.
Everything,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think the basically I started cooking.
Now this is so many. This is
So every time I was looking to
Yeah.
so that as a guitar this one is a band. It's the Rolling Class. The only band on the Billboard Awards in Las Vegas. We were MTV Awards and City Awards. We were the only band to really have played on the original MTV or something like that.
psychology is
Not the unique. So as a band,
this is psychology.
as a band, as a for you, which is the first one. As a singer performance. This is
Psychology.
अच्छा आपको बहुत
History and
करियर में आपने हिंदी पे जाएगी there's a lot of some of the new stuff that I'm doing some apps of I mean I'm taking
This
easy
book
enough
is
to
there.
Alzheimer's dementia. As you can see, we have famous artists who will come and sing and encourage us with the music therapy program. Some statistics that we can give on dementia is is the number 2 killing disease in India today. The maximum span of 7 years. In this 7 years, if you see the progression of the person is going down, so the lifespan is there, but the person is deteriorating both physically, mentally, and losing memory. 7.4 billion people are expected to suffer from dementia in 2030. If you see the rates in Maharashtra, 2016 we have 49.5% of the population. That's for 54% of our senior citizens who are suffering from dementia. Now, if you see in the last couple of years, this has doubled, and of course, we are going to see by 2021 it's going to double further. Now, what is dementia? Dementia is a decline in the mental ability. When we talk about mental ability, it means thinking, memory, cognition. So everything that we do in daily activities, waking up in the morning, brushing your teeth, reading the newspaper, talking to people, logical reasoning at work. So dementia starts affecting all these areas. So the first thing that you will see is the patient starts forgetting names, places, people, which is the brain. The most known form of dementia is the Alzheimer's dementia. Alzheimer's dementia is an age-related dementia. Other forms of dementia are due to any form of brain tumor or brain hemorrhage or an accidental dementia that you can get. Music therapy is basically very similar to what we do in physiotherapy, the physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech, language. How music is an automated response. We remember our old memories through music. So therefore, what we do in therapy is we are making a schematic association between our memories, events, people, and we are associating that with music. So if we go back, remember our college days, we remember our friends through music. Who may benefit from these? People who have physical, cognitive, social, emotional damages. So even people with dementia go through depression, they feel low, there's a helplessness, loneliness feeling. All of them can be healed through music. That is the main agenda of our program.
Okay, I've been in the field of mental health now for the past 20 to 24 years. And Veena and I have known each other as friends for the last 2 years. But we just started talking a couple of months ago because there were some observations that she had made and I had made. And when I was sitting with a group of patients suffering from dementia, what I noticed was that, people, when we put on music, when we put on old songs that, people are very familiar with, there were people who were not talking and interacting, but when the music came on, they started actually singing and dancing with the music. And that's when I realized that, why not do something for these people for whom they have no entertainment. Actually, people don't even look at them because here is a person who's suffering from Alzheimer's, from dementia, who is not even looked at in the house because he becomes useless. And these are the people who suffer, and with every one person who's suffering, there are so many people who suffer along with them. And Veena and we got talking, and Veena came up with this thing that why not do something for these people which actually gives them a happier life. We cannot give them a longer lease of life, but I think it's not about giving anybody a longer lease of life, but it is giving them some happiness. And that's when she offered and said, why not do something for them? So that's how we are trying to make this initiative. And of course, when we have artists who are coming up, with just selflessly, I think this is the best thing we can do for them.
Talking about the music therapy, as you said, so
Yes.
you see, is it result oriented in terms of, as you said, the patient?
How does it help?
Yeah.
See, there are a lot of studies which have been done all over the world, which shows that music therapy helps to bring up some happiness and helps to even delay the processes. Now, unfortunately, we do not really have Indian studies, but what we are planning to do is, of course, this is not a recent plan, but maybe in the scheme of things to come, if we can even do some research and see how it helps our patients suffering from Alzheimer's.
So when it comes to the event, do we have patients attending it? How do we?
Yes. What we've done is we've spread the word to the associations who are working with Alzheimer's patients, and we have kind of told them that we want the patients to come. Now, what happens with patients like of Alzheimer's, sometimes there are reasons why they may not be able to come. So a lot of them have expressed the need to come, and along with them, of course, we have the caretaker as well. We've also contacted a lot of senior citizen associations, and we have invited them as well because, see, today if you don't die of cardiac diseases, the chances of you dying of dementia are pretty high. Some of them are in the early stages of dementia, and so this program is aimed to identify, to help people suffering, to increase awareness, and eventually to also study, to do some studies associated with the help of music therapy to delay the process of Alzheimer's.
Is there a specific age that dementia and Alzheimer's occur, or is it like at a...
See, Alzheimer's, we call Alzheimer's dementia when it is an age-related dementia. So a lot of studies which suggest that people with memory impairment, cognitive impairment above the age of 70 are supposed to be suffering from Alzheimer's dementia.
Thank you. Anything else I may